Hey guys, welcome to Piping Engineering channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to read a groove weld symbol. As you can see, we have these two plates with their edges chamfered for welding. These chamfered edges are creating a V groove here in this case. Symbol for this groove weld looks like this. This horizontal line is a reference line and this arrowed line indicates location of the weld. Bottom of the reference line is called arrow side of the weld, which means that side of the welding piece where arrow is pointing. Top of the reference line is called other side of the weld, which means opposite side of the weld. In this case, the bottom portion of the joint. This V groove symbol on the arrow side, that is bottom side of the reference line, indicates we have to weld only on arrow side of the joint, that is top side of the weld, and not on the opposite bottom side of the joint. Here we have these numbers which provide dimensions of various aspects of the weld. These letters indicated in brackets such as S, E, etc. are not included in actual welding drawings. I have included them only for your understanding. Only numeric values are included in actual fabrication drawings. Typical weld dimensions for 1 inch plate thickness are mentioned here. This S value, which is 5 by 8 inch here, is the depth of preparation, which indicates the depth up to which the joint must be prepared or beveled in this case for welding. The E value, which is 3 by 4 inch in this case, is the depth of penetration of the weld. The R value, which is 1 by 8 inch in this case, is the root opening, which is the gap required between two fittings on the inside or other side of the weld. The A value, which is 60 degrees in this case, is the included angle of the joint. It is double the angle of bevel, which is 30 degrees in this case. So this is how we have to read groove weld symbol.